Hi guys, welcome to Design Technology TV. A quick video on adapting and amending parts that you've already drawn. In this particular part, I've got a single action that I've taken, which was a boss extrude. When I extruded it, I've extruded it to a certain thickness. I've got options here in terms of manipulating and changing the shape or indeed the thickness of the part. So this is something you'll do routinely, which allows you then to update and change the drawings and diagrams you're doing or parts you're creating. In here, we've got one single thing that I've done, which is the boss extrude. If I click into here, you can see there's also a sketch, which was what it was based on originally. If I right click on the bit that says boss extrude 1, you'll notice this command menu pops up, and got a whole load of different aspects down here. Now, delete might be something you'll use if you want to get rid of the part completely. If it's wrong or it's changed significantly, you might use that. But quite often what happens with Solidworks, there's no requirement for you to delete everything you've done. And if you ever find yourself in a position where you think that's what you need to do, I suggest you take a pause, go and find a member of staff and have a chat to them, because there's almost certainly a way that you can get around that. That's partially what this video is about, is allow you to help you understand how you can make those changes. What we've then got up the top here, we've got two really important aspects. We've got edit feature, which would edit the actual 3D aspect of the product, and we've got edit sketch. What I'm going to do today is what I've done is I've right clicked on there and I'm going to click on edit sketch. It goes back to the original sketch, and in here I might decide that actually what I want to do is I want to adapt and change this 10 because the radius might be too big. So if I double click on it, I can then change it, and let's go for 8 instead, and I'm going to retip that. Let's change to 8. Just going to check that the other one's done the same thing, which it has, so happy with that, and I'm going to cancel that because I don't need to do it. As you've seen, that's already adapted, changed it to 8, and then what I can do is click exit. And what that does, it brings us back to our part, but now the radius on the corner are both smaller than they were. The other option we have is where we can play with the actual thickness of the extrude. So here I can go to edit feature instead. And this time what I'm doing is I've already got the sketch, that's in place, but what I could do is I can change the actual thickness of the component part. So it says it's 3mm. Let's say I wanted to make it 10mm because I wanted to make it out of a different material. Change it 10mm in there. Click in the grey area here, which allows it then to update the preview, and then green tick it, and then that updates my part to a thicker component part. So that's a really quick way to allow you to address and change different component parts really quickly. It's something you should use routinely. Any questions about it, obviously, come find a member of staff and have a chat. Thanks for watching Design Technology TV.